Okay, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to a brand new episode of In the Kitchen with your girl Fluffy K. And today I have a new video for you guys. I am going to be showing you how to make curry goat. Yeah, curry goat, guys. I am going to be cooking curry goat in my kitchen today. A friend of mine had asked me to make curry goat. She said she wanted to see it on the channel because I was telling her, a little bit about how you do the curry goat, and she was like, girl, put it on the channel and let me watch it. I don't want to have to call you, when I need to see this, how to do it, because I'm not going to do it on your time. So do the video and put it up, and when I'm ready to cook it, I will go on the channel and I will find it. So I said, yeah, that's a good idea. I was going to do it anyway, but I wasn't going to do it today. But because she requested it, I am going to do the Jamaican curry goat today, guys. So stay tuned. And guys, thank you for watching the videos. I really appreciate it. To season my goat. And this is just my goat in my bowl. And I have just washed it in some vinegar and clean, the excess fat off it. And now I'm going to put my seasoning on. And I'll be showing you step by step how I make my Jamaican curry goat, guys. So please, guys, please do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's In the Kitchen with Fluffy K. Like, comment, share my videos, guys. And please leave a comment and let me know what next you would like to see me cook. Please hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be able to see it, guys. Remember, subscribe. All right, so I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to do when I'm making my curry goat, guys. So this is my goat, and I've washed it, I've cleaned it. And now this is my seasoning, my dry ingredients. I have my wet ingredients. And I'm going to show you the steps I take when I am making this delicious meal. So, same procedure. I'm just going to add the seasoning to it. So this is my goat, and I'm going to put some all-purpose seasoning, some all-purpose and special jerk, some Maggi all-purpose, and some Maggi chicken. And I'm just sprinkling this all over my goat, all over it. Then I'm going to come in with some wet ingredients. This is just my blended herbs, guys. I love to blend my seasonings, my onion and my scallion and my garlic and my pepper, and add it to my goat. Now the next thing I'm going to marinate this overnight. I'm doing this overnight, so if my video is not that bright, it's overnight. So yeah, I'm just marinating my stuff with some curry now, and then I'm gonna mix. So I'm just gonna rub this in, massage the seasoning into the meat. So when I, put it down refrigerator overnight, and tomorrow I will cook this goat, but I'm going to show you step by step. So you will be there for that video. I'm going to add them all together and you will see the finished product of my curry goat, Jamaican style. Taste and see what it tastes like, if it has enough seasoning and everything. Pretty good. Let me add the rest of this little seasoning. Tastes so good. Wow. Yes, guys, so making sure that I have enough curry on my meat and enough of everything. So I'm just mixing this. Make sure you wear gloves when you're, putting on the curry, because, guys, curry stain. This will stain your nails all week. It's not gonna go. Garlic and scotch bonnet pepper and some ginger, and I put a little bit of oil into the pot. I have some curry here and I'm just gonna throw it, guys. Let it start cooking, then I'm gonna put the pressure on. This is my oil in my pot with a little bit of curry that I've put in the oil. I cut some ginger, some garlic, and I put a few pimento seed and a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. That is what I have in my pressure cooker, guys. And I am just gonna go in and I'm gonna add my goat. Guys, I marinated my goat overnight today, not a few hours, not straight to the pot. I had some time last night and I just, you know, do it at a time and put it in the refrigerator. So I already show you all the seasoning that I have added to it. So now it's cooking day, guys, and I am gonna start putting in my goat to my oil. I have added all my goat to my little oil, and I'm just gonna go in and make a few spin. Make sure, you know, everything is gonna be on the same color and everything is equally blended out, you know. So I'm just, because I don't have a lot of oil in my pot, guys, so this is just, you know, how it looks. And I'm just gonna leave it open for like 10 minutes and I'm gonna keep turning it and turning it. So when I come back to do my turn, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is just my goat in my oil, and I am just gonna let it sit there without any cover for like 10 minutes, guys. So 10 minutes has passed and my goat is still without a cover in my pressure cooker pot. I am going to add a little bit of water in the next 5 minutes. Then I'm going to put on the top of my pressure cooker, guys, and I'm going to let this pressure, as soon as it starts making that sound, I'm going to time it for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it off and I'm going to start to cook it without the pressure cooker again. Depends on how tough it is, guys. If it's well tough, you want to put it on back for another 5 minutes, you could do that. But I'll be trying my goat at home and see, you know, how much more cooking it wants. Then I will decide if I want to put it on back for another 5 minutes. But don't leave it in your pressure cooker too long, because, guys, it will cook and you don't know. So no more than 10 minutes before you check it. And when you're checking it, make sure you put it under the pipe, let it cool down, then you could open when it's safe. Guys, safety is everything, guys. Please do remember that. Pressure cooker is very dangerous, so we have to know how we use our pressure cooker pots. So I am just going to add a little bit of water to this, just a little bit almost above my goat. I'm not going to fill the pot with water. I'm just going to put it a little bit above, or, you know, on top somewhere, like here in the pot. That's where I'm going to put the water to, not too much water. And then I'm going to cover my pressure cooker. And after 10 minutes, I'm going to come back and show you what is going on with my curry goat, guys. Stay tuned. So I'm going to add my water now. And I'm just going to go in with my water. Guys, that's all the water I'm going to add. You see it? That's all the water I'll be adding. I'm just mix with a spoon, see? Not all of them are covered, but I'm just going to do it for 10 minutes, so I don't need too much water in there, guys. Just going to add the top in my pressure cooker. Closing pressure cooker. Add in my lid. So when it starts making noise, guys, after 10 minutes, I am going to remove the top of my pressure cooker. It's been 10 minutes and my pressure has been going, and right now I'm just gonna see what my goat looks like. See guys, none of the water didn't even dry. It's the same place I put it. That's the difference with using the pressure cooker pot. The water doesn't dry out so easily, so that's why you can't put too much water. Why this goat feel tough, guys. This goat come like a the real ram. You know the grandfather ram? My. The way all this stuff, it needs another 10 minutes, guys. See? So this is what my goat look like. So turn on back my stove now, because I'll cool down my pressure cooker and remove it. So I am going to cover back the pressure cooker and I'm going to give it 10 more minutes. After my 10 minutes, I am going to put my carrot and my onion and my scallion and thyme and a whole pepper into this, guys. So don't go nowhere, stay with me, let me show you what it looks like. Guys, my goat has been cooking for like 40 minutes of the pressure cooker. So now, you know, I've just added some bell pepper, some onion and some scotch bonnet pepper, some carrot, guys, and that's what I have in my pot. And look at my gravy. So I'm just gonna let this simmer for like 10 to 15 more minutes, guys. It's cooked. And then I am going to come back and I'm going to show you what my Jamaican curry goat looks like. Okay, guys. Season my goat with enough pepper, so this is just what I have here, guys. So my goat is almost ready. I'm just gonna leave this on for like 10 more minutes. So stay with me, let me show you my finishing curry goat, guys. My curry goat is ready. So you see those nice looking carrots on top. My goat is ready to be eaten, guys. Hope you enjoy my video. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. It's In the Kitchen with Fluffy K. Like, comment, share my videos, guys, and you know, thanks for watching. And if there's anything you would like to see me cook again in my kitchen, guys, just leave a comment down below. Please remember, when you subscribe, please turn on your notification, so as soon as I upload a video, you guys will be the first to see my videos, guys. So hope you enjoy.